it's Team J right here. And what is the time today?
I don't know, but what we are doing today?
So we are going to do some
Popcorns.
So we have this little popcorn things.
And we have some oil. So what we are going to do is we turn on the pan. Then we put some oil in. And after that, we will put the popcorn inside, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's add some oil. And would you like your popcorn salty or sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet. And later on, maybe we need to add some.
Water.
We need to add some sugar in there. Then we put popcorns there. And we have the fried pan. You can stir it. You can stir.
Daddy didn't wash it. It's so dirty.
Yeah, mix up the corn with oil, and later on just wait for them to pop. Like this. Okay. So let's just close the lid and wait.
We'll see you guys after it is done.
So let's wait here and see what's going on. Okay, so I just put the camera closer.
And put it down.
Yeah, and you can hear some sound, right? You can hear some cooking sound. It's popping, and maybe we still need to stir them. Woohoo!
Looks delicious.
Woohoo! Maybe it will pop first. Pop, 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 like this. Right? What do you think?
I don't know.
You never try making popcorn?
No.
No. Later they will do explosion.
We have to put sugar.
Later. Let's see. Some sugar. Let's put some sugar in.
Where's sugar?
There's some sugar. There's some sugar. Oh! It's popping! Look!
See?
Look!
Wow.
Wow, I think it's dangerous. So we don't put sugar now. We have to. Woohoo!
Wow. It's popping now.
Woohoo! It's popping.
It's so fun. Wanna take it out? Wow. This is my first time. It's popping. Wow.
It's popping. Boop, 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 boop.
Guys, it's popping. It's popping, bro. It's popping. Ah! Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's why we have to put the lid on. Otherwise, when it pops, that will be dead.
Yes, it will pop out.
Then we need to switch off. Now.
Yeah. It's still popping.
Yeah.
There's still
I
some.
think it's done. So,
Right?
want to take out?
Take it out.
Yeah.
Whoa! What just happened? You're done?
Wow. Okay, that's our popcorn.
Yeah, it's still popping.
Yeah. And that's our popcorn. And we'll enjoy the popcorn now. And what
Wow.
are we going to do?
It just popped.
Yeah. What are you going to say?
We will say, hope you enjoyed the video.
And
And subscribe to my channels if you want a popcorn. You can see more videos like this and I will show you.
or we'll pop you up.
Yes. And we will put you in the stove maybe we'll buy some shrink potion and shrink you and put you in there, and we will,
Pop you.
yes,
Okay, bye.
and we will eat you. So subscribe and like the video. If you don't know how to like, just subscribe. Bye guys.